Welcome back, PyResearch channel. In this video, we are exploring AI agent. What type of AI agent is time saver, doctor time saver AI agent, and this is the obviously we create the AI agent in report side. How kind type of this type of work, and it's very simple. It's work like human time saver. Basically, I am not a doctor and upload the reports, human reports, CBC like ultrasound, like X-ray. It's give me some suggestion findings. Okay, it's information passed to your side. We add Gemma 4 model, Google open source model, and obviously we also allow the contribution side and code allow into GitHub side, the PyResearch GitHub side, and happy to share with you this knowledge. And this is the real use case, and it's a lot of it's real time reports will be uploaded in front of you and see the result. And step by step I add the commands and see the reports working. It's very same. Okay, so you use it, and happy to share with you this knowledge. And I hope you like our demo. Without wasting time, we will go to demo site and create the use case. Welcome back, PyResearch channel. In this video, we are exploring new use case. It's real use case, okay? And personally, I deal it, and I have proper reports and lab reports. This name is time saver. A normal person upload the report and easily to read out the reports. What type of reports will be said? Okay, it's I mentioned the name as AI agent, Doctor Time Saver app. Okay, so how it's work? Uh, Let me show you. This one the demo. Okay, and I have not mentioned the laboratory, but only what you see in this report needs solution. No, what you see this one report properly, simple, notify to me only, and it's checking out the values. Its reflection finds all possibilities. After possibilities finds, and obviously we use Gemma 4 model. It's a Google model. Okay, so you can see it's analyze report the WhatsApp image, Doctor Time Saver AI agent. Hello. Okay, this one is analyzed. Uh, it's not here. How it's analyzed? Overall, a quick English summary. Okay, and so it's show us the same simple uh, use case. Number I again upload the one report as PDF format, and what you see and notify not notify to me, and all use the old uh, command, and now we can test it. So again I add the PDF, and what is the overall status of the detail analyze. Okay, and appearance that db abnormal. Okay, and protein is high, it's give me alert, and sugar glosses is low. So it's the real patient data, and obviously it's almost same as the doctor mentioned to me, because it's time saver application, and you read out it's normally. And I add two type of reports. One is image, second one is the obviously in front of you PDF. Now we need to go the folder side, and in front of you how can it work, and see it's very simple. Add the Olama model. Okay, uh, how it is going on. Let me show you Olama side. It's open source as well as, and Olama we Gemma 4. Okay, and you add this model just in your laptop side, means here already add. Okay, and obviously it's we need to test it. Hi, how are you? Just mention me. I am good and okay. So any type of help you need, you just add mark and it will be mention the process and all things. Okay, is secondary, but you need to audit shift D. Uh, Let me go out. Otherwise, we need to. Okay. So we need to open new terminal, no problem, and same folder side. So Python version. Now we are going to technically side. Okay. Llama model is very installation very easily. You download the Llama model and install the Gemma 4. And after Gemma 4, you see which type of you need. Only text, okay. And after text, what kind of process you libraries you need? You need this one, PDF reader, and Flask library. Okay. After Flask library, you add to app configuration and define the classes. After classes, you add the multiple models. Okay. Okay. I have already. And what kind of command you need to add? Doctor's time saver. It's mention all things. Okay. High alert, etc. And if you want to edit, you edit. No problem. What kind of job you get from this agent, you can use multiple site. So this is the whole application. Okay. Main file is app. Second one is our obviously HTML, color coding etc. And this is the JSON format file. Okay, what kind of report you add, what kind of get data you obviously you see, and all track records, and what kind of report you see this type of. Okay, and I will show you real report, and you analyze it, and volume, colorful, STB. Okay, protein, it's high. Okay, from range. If you're not too able to read this one, you read multiple language as well as English, Urdu, Hindi, like Spanish, and Irani, Iraqi. It's depend on you. Okay, no any issue and limit. What kind of language you need? Okay, so obviously I run it again. Python app.py, and AI agent is working, and Gemma 4 model is ready to use. Just hit the app. Okay, we need to open new case. Okay, new case. Old history is almost saved. Okay, so and if you want to multiple things will be used, you can use it without the doctor prescription. You're not able to validate this one. Okay, just is the time saver for your concept understanding. Uh, I have one more report. What you we need generate new command. What you see, and mention me solutions. Okay, I will mention this solutions with my doctor. So it's help to me understand. And question mark. Okay, we need to wait it. So we get it some summary. It will be endless. Okay, and find the picture. Okay, so it's para parameter names. What tested you are found. Okay, normal or abnormal, high and low. Okay, parameter breakdown. And I will report and to analyze in Punch Pro. So you can see, and it's give me some findings and text. Okay, so if you want to test, you can test it easily, and we upload all codes here. Okay, you get it, and obviously go to PyResearch site and go to reports, and you get it from here. Okay, we create the report properly, and this report add into my YouTube description site, and after you can test it and validate it. If you add more uh, branches, you can do it, and we allow the open contribution. And this is the real use case. We basically we cannot release the videos. Now I properly come to my workplace, and we continue our video path, and this is the real use case. We create the some ideas into medical AI side. So it's a AI agent will be help. It is one model. We add more models, and medical models also we created. If we able to do this one long big side. So happy to share with you this knowledge and information and this video. And keep connect with us. See you in next video. See you with next topic.